This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at haynes.com.
Warning: gas-filled bulbs are under pressure and may shatter if the surface is scratched or the bulb is dropped. We recommend wearing eye protection. Remove the headlight housing. Disconnecting the wiring harnesses as you do so. Remove the cover from the rear of the housing. Disconnect the wiring. Release the retaining spring by hand and pull out the old bulb. Without touching the bulb glass with your bare fingers, insert the new bulb assembly into the headlight housing. Attach the bulb retaining spring and connect the wiring. Install the cover. Install and position the headlight housing, reconnecting the wiring harness as you do so. Install the mounting bolts and tighten them securely.